If you're posting on YouTube every week and your business isn't growing, your strategy is failing. The problem is, it doesn't feel like it's failing. It feels like it just needs more time. But time doesn't fix a broken strategy. It just makes the failure more expensive. The good news, a failing content strategy shows the same 5 warning signs almost every time. If you can spot them, you can fix them, usually without posting more. I run a media company. I look at channels like this all the time, and I would say it's almost never a talent problem or a quality problem. It's a system problem. So I'll walk you through all the 5 signs in order, with the fix for each one. And number 5 is the one I see the most. It's also the fastest one to fix. The first sign is attentions that never turns into pipeline. The channel performs, the back account doesn't. I see creators grinding, posting every week, getting views, and making $0. And the reason is simple. The content was made to get views, not clients. Here is how you diagnose it. 4 questions. Am I getting link clicks? Am I getting bookings? How many are qualified? And how many am I closing? If the chain breaks at question 1, your views are a vanity metric. The fix: go through your last 10 videos and check 2 things. Does this video target a problem my buyers has? And does it point anywhere? Because every week this continues. You're doing free entertainment for people who never pay you. Most advice attacks your thumbnails and the retention. This upstreams all of that. It's the click to booking chain. Fix the chain first. But sometimes the problem isn't the metrics. It's what happened after the video ends. This is the most expensive sign on the list. The viewer watches your video, they like it, they learn something, and then nothing. No research, no training, no application, no call, they just leave. You already earned the attention, you already earned some trust, and you leak all of it at the finish line. A real strategy creates a journey. Discover, learn, trust, take action. Every video should end with one clear next step. There are 4 options. 1. The end of the video CTA. You can do this yourself or I can help you, link in the description. 2. A lead magnet. Something valuable for free in exchange for their email. 3. A free training. A longer video that explains your full method and pre-sells your offer. 4. A direct call booking for viewers who are already ready. Pick 1 per video and deliver it natively as the solve of the problem you just thought, not as an ad. Because without clear CTAs, you will make no money. It doesn't matter how good the content is, and link in bio is not a CTA. Nobody clicks that. This is the highest leverage fix on the whole list. Same content, same views, and a real next step, and you get leads. Now, even with a great next step, the strategy still fails if your library is all one type of video. Sign 3. The channel is 100% tutorials, or 100% opinions, or all vlogs. Every video does the same job. So the funnel has 1 layer and nothing moves. Here is the mix that works. 3 layers. Top of funnel. Action-based content. Step by step. How to. This attracts people. Middle of funnel. Educational content. Your perspective, your method, industry breakdowns. This builds authority. And lastly, bottom of content. Proof, client interviews, and case studies. This convert. Each layer answers a different question in the viewer's head. Is this for me? Then why I should listen to you? Then does this actually work? I studied a breakdown of Natalie Townsend's content system. The line that stuck with me: every piece of content has a job. She didn't win by posting more, she built a funnel. Structure beats consistency. If all your content is top of funnel, you build an audience that never believes enough to buy. If it's all bottom of funnel, you're pitching to strangers. Either way, no sales. So if more consistency hasn't worked for you, this is probably why. The mix is broken, not the volume. And the layer almost everyone is missing completely: proof. Sign number 4. 0 case studies, all claims, no receipts. And in this market, that's a real problem. People are scared of getting scammed. They've seen the fake claims, the fake guarantee. So claims without proof don't read as natural, they read as a red flag. There are 2 proof formats, and both are simple. Format number 1, the client interview. 15-20 minutes with a successful client. You talk about where they start, what you did together, and the results. Format number 2, the case study breakdown. Just you walking through the exact step-by-step process behind one client's results. 3, rules to keep it credible. Use real, verifiable numbers. Show receipts where you can and name clients only with permission. This content shortens sales cycles. Prospects see the proof before they ever book a call. And here is the part I like. You already own this material. The results are sitting in your DMs and your testimonial folder, unrecorded. It's the easiest video type to make. Make it convert best. Okay, last one. This is the sign underneath all the others, and the one I see the most. Number 5, generic topic for a generic audience, no locked ICP. Your thinking is, I'll make good content and the right people will find me. They won't. You need one specific person with one specific problem. What keeps them up at night, what they want, what they already tried that didn't work. When you know that, every topic gets easy. Here is the difference in practice. How to be successful in real estate. That's for everyone, which means it's for no one. How about this? How to get 3 listings this month using Facebook groups in your local area. That's for one person, and that person clicks. The specific video wins even against massive channels, because when you are specific, it makes it more relevant. And here is why this sign matters the most. If your positioning is generic, fixing signs 1 through 4 still brings you the wrong people. The calls comes in, and they're not qualified. If you spotted 2 or more of these signs in your channel, here is what to do. You can fix all 5 yourself. This video is enough to start. But if you want me to help you fix these signs, you have a link in the description to book a call with me. See you there.